When you receive the honey extractor, carefully unlatch and open the wooden shipping crate. Lift the main barrel assembly out of the crate. Next, retrieve the stainless steel stand. The package includes the barrel, stand, lids, and the honey gate assembly. Position the barrel onto the stand, aligning the mounting brackets. Secure it firmly using the provided bolts and a wrench. Place the 2 stainless steel lids on top. Apply sealant tape to the honey gate threads for a leak-proof seal. Install the ball valve and tighten it securely. Assembly is now complete. Now, let's see how to use it. Please make sure the emergency stop switch is not pressed. This knob is used to adjust the speed. This is the stop button. This is the forward button, and this is the reverse button. These 2 buttons are for adjusting parameters, so do not press them. I'll show you the forward rotation first. Press this green button. If you need to reverse, press the red button to stop the rotation. You can also press the emergency stop switch to stop the machine. Next, press the reverse button. The basket can now be reversed. After several forward and reverse rotations, the honey can be extracted completely.